Here's how to use Nevada's legal framework to build an effective asset protection structure. Step 1. Understand what Nevada protects and what it doesn't. Nevada protects assets held in properly formed Nevada entities with strong statutory backing. It does not protect against fraudulent transfers, valid IRS claims, domestic support obligations like child support or alimony, or obligations that arose before the structure was created. Step 2. Form your Nevada LLC or corporation. File with the Nevada Secretary of State, online or by mail. Nevada requires a registered agent and an initial list of officers or managers. Filing fees are higher than Wyoming, approximately $425 for an LLC, plus annual fees. Step 3. Establish privacy protections. Use a registered agent rather than your personal address. If privacy is a goal, make sure the entity documents don't list your personal information in public filings. Nevada allows nominee managers, the same as Wyoming, with proper private documentation. Step 4. Document beneficial ownership for CTA compliance. File beneficial ownership information with FinCEN as required by the Corporate Transparency Act. This is separate from state public filings. It goes to the federal government, not the public. Step 5. Transfer assets into the Nevada entity. Document the transfers appropriately: deeds for real property, assignment agreements for LLC interests or other investments, written loan agreements for capital contributions structured as loans. Every transfer needs to be legitimate and documented. Step 6. Coordinate with your home state. If you live in California and own a Nevada LLC, you may still owe California taxes on that entity's income if it's connected to California activities. Work with a multi-state tax advisor to understand your actual tax obligations. Step 7. Maintain the structure. Annual filings, registered agent maintenance, separation of entity funds, ongoing compliance is what keeps the protection real. Subscribe for comprehensive guidance on Nevada and multi-state asset protection structures.